Yeah, it's homeostasis. So the brain is fundamentally quite lazy. It'll find the easiest way to do anything. That's why we don't usually pick different ways to work. Well, when we were commuting, we didn't pick different ways to get to work. We just pick the easiest way, or the way we know best. The brain likes patterns. It likes regularity. It doesn't like things that disrupt it. And so often in business, people do what they were already doing twice as hard, then 3 times as hard, 4 times as hard, 5 times, and all it leads to is burnout, because you're trying to do the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. Or they slightly tweak a marketing message or something, thinking that's going to suddenly be the silver bullet. And it's by and large because we're doubling down on an internal bet that we've already made. This is the right way. And when that doesn't work, we go, but we're smart people. So it does work, it just hasn't worked yet. So let's just keep doing it. Let's keep pushing through. Now, the cause of that quite often is because people spend far too much time in their business doing, as opposed to on their business strategically planning and seeing what's actually happening in markets and readjusting. I think anybody who's making a sort of 5-year business plan is probably a little bit ambitious in this day and age as to what's actually going to happen in markets, because we don't know with so much the technology and everything else what's going on and what 5 years is going to look like. So we kind of make these, we kind of build all our business strategies often off flawed thinking, or thinking that was right at a moment in time that actually has changed and evolved. So I think having more time on your business, strategically thinking through where you're trying to take it, what are the blocks, what are the problems that you're now facing, and why are they there, and what are you actually trying to achieve? That sound very, very basic questions, and most people roll their eyes and go, yeah, I know all that. Well, if you know all that, then why are you still making the same mistakes? So I think actually just stopping, being counterintuitive and stopping what you're doing and thinking about why you're doing what you're doing is probably a big step in the right direction.